Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to simply compile SketchUp views. So it is very simple. First of all, that you need to do is that you export all your SketchUp scenes all at once using the Curic Scene Manager. If you don't know how to install it, then I have made a separate video based on it. So basically, just simply export the images wherever you want, then select the folder. You'll have to wait for a few seconds until your high quality compiled scenes are being exported. You can skip the video for like about 10 seconds ahead, so it will simply um, export the views till then. Basically, all the numbers above 2000 pixels take about a minute to export all your high quality images. So basically, keeping a high number of width means you keep high number of pixels. That means your image doesn't blur or doesn't basically spread when you zoom in the image, and your image stays completely high quality and crisp. So basically the main reason for this is that when you keep your images in presentation, you export images for AI renders, so it is actually very useful for that. So after doing that, all I am going to do is I am going to write to Canva. I have made two simple front and back pages uh, for my compilation, which is really very easy. You can make simply on Canva with this is the cover page, and the last page is thank you. I have just downloaded the JPEGs of the file. Then next what I do is I go to JPEG to PDF converter. I select the JPEG images. So basically I will go where I have saved my images, which is basically in JPEG. So I select all of them all at once simply. So basically our SketchUp scenes are all good to go. We will just rearrange the cover and the end page. We will make the option to landscape, and we will simply click on convert to PDF. So this is how simple it takes. You don't have to put any image in a presentation. You don't have to compile any image on Photoshop, Illustrator, nothing. Just convert it into a JPEG file, and then you just do is that convert it into a PDF. It is very simple and it is very easy. Converting the JPEG to PDF will again take a few seconds, so you can just wait for a few seconds, or you can just skip the video to the end to see the final results. It is, of course, going to be very amazing because it is a very short, only 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes process that you do to make your PDF. So see, your PDF is ready of your updated views. This is very good to go for any client, consultant, anyone that wants to see the design that is ready. So this is how I compile my SketchUp views. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.